Hi Eliza, this is Miss Bennell. So I just grabbed one of the problems from that distance with proportional reasoning problem that you were looking at in the quiz. This is one of the ones that you got incorrect. So I just wanted to show you at least one way that I would solve this problem moving forward. So in the problem it said Jill leaves her house and goes to pick up a friend from the airport. So what I automatically want to do is draw a little star here because that's where our starting point is. Now, she's going to pick up a friend from the airport, and I see a lot of different distances on this map. So one thing I noticed that I see down here is the scale, which is 3 centimeters equal 1 mile. So when I see something like that, I want to be critical of what I'm looking at in the map. And I look here and I see that all of them are in centimeters, so I know that's good. I don't have to worry about changing anything over to miles or doing any conversions there. So all centimeters is a good start. So first thing I want to do is figure out how to get to the airport. And then as I continue to read, I notice that we want the shortest distance. So I look at a couple different ways for me to get to the airport. One, which I'm going to use for black, is to just go all the way around. So we have a 9, a 33, and a 27. The next way that I locate is if I, in blue here, go up towards City Hall, 21, a little bit further that 12, and use that 16 down the side here. So 21, 12, 16. And another way that I can locate is to perhaps go from Jill's house to City Hall, make my way down back this way and up to the airport. So that would be 21, 30, 27. So that is all of those that are going to get me from Jill's house to the airport. And I shouldn't say all. There are many different ways that we can use this, but I'm sticking with the ones that have 3 paths at most because I know that's going to give me one of the shortest distances. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add all these together to find the shortest distance to the airport. Okay, so after doing that, I find that my blue path is the shortest to get me to the airport. So then, moving forward, I need to get back to City Hall, so I need to find the shortest distance from there. Now, starting at the airport, I'll use in gray. Okay, the shortest distance is going to be, as I notice here, since it's 27 down this way, I want to go to the 16 and the 12, which actually I'm looking at it now, I realize that might be a 15. And it's because my picture is a little blurry here. Okay, so the shortest distance would be my distance, or the shortest distance I found to arrive me at the airport, plus the shortest distance to return back to City Hall, which is 15 and 12, which I will then add together. And I get a total distance of 75 centimeters. Okay, now last but not least, looking at the answer responses available, you notice that they are in miles, not centimeters. So if I have 75 centimeters, and revisiting the scale one more time, 3 centimeters equals 1 mile, this is where that proportional piece comes in a little bit. So I have 75 centimeters, and I want to know how many miles that is. And I know that 3 centimeters is equal to 1 mile. Now, a couple different things I could do here. I could use the cross multiplication like the video I sent you in the previous email, or I can look at a relationship. If there is one, there isn't always one, from here to here. Now, I know that 3 times 25 is 75, so 1 times 25 is 25, so 75 centimeters is equal to 25 miles. Now, another way I could do it again is that cross multiplication pattern, which is 75 times 1, which is 75. And remember, this question mark is really a variable x. 3 times x, which is, let me erase this part, which is 3x. 3x equals 75, and I know you're strong in equations, so here I divide both sides by 3, and I get that x is equal to 25 again. Alright, so here's a couple different ways to attack the problem. Give it a try at home, and I will let me know if you need help.